Another day, another English lesson. Causative verbs require and allow.
Causative verbs are used to show that someone causes another person to do something. The main causative verbs are let, have, and make. But there are others, such as require and allow, which we will learn about today. The causative verb, require, is used to indicate that someone has no choice. They must do something because it is necessary or mandated. Structure. Subject plus. Require, plus person plus infinitive. Examples. The school requires students to wear uniforms. The law requires drivers to carry their licenses. The causative verb, allow, is used to show that someone is given permission to do something. It gives the person the choice or freedom to act. Structure. Subject plus. Allow, plus person plus infinitive. Examples. The teacher allowed the students to work in groups. The rules allow employees to take breaks when needed. Now, complete these sentences with requires or allows. One. The company allows its employees to work from home once a week if they want. Two. The safety guidelines requires all visitors to wear a helmet on site with no exceptions. Three. The school allows students to bring their own lunch if they don't want cafeteria food. Four. The new rule requires absolutely all passengers to show ID before boarding. Five. The museum allows visitors to take pictures of its paintings if they wish. Six. The policy requires everyone to attend weekly meetings with no exceptions. Seven. The contract requires the builder to complete the project by next month or he won't be paid. Eight. The park allows families to picnic in designated areas if they desire. I hope you found this worldwide ELT English language lesson helpful and enjoyable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.